This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, hello guys. In today's session, we are going to see further configuration of payroll, where we'll see employee state insurance related configuration. For that, first you have to click on SPRO, SAP reference IMG, go to payroll section, and in payroll, go to India. In India, go to statutory social contribution. And we have covered first part, PF related configuration. Now we'll see ESI related configuration. So execute this and click on maintain ESI eligibility limit. First click on maintain ESI basis limit. So you will get this kind of screen where you can maintain from date and to date what will be the ceiling point, or you can say that what will be the basic limit of ESIC. Initially it was 6,500 now, and again changed to 15,000, and I think currently it is 21,000. So you can update here. 21,000 is the ESIC limit currently. We just select 21,000, click on enter. So system is telling you do not make any changes in SAP entry. So we have configured 21,000, which is the current statutory compliances of ESIC. So let me keep as it is. I will not make any changes. If you want to make any changes as per the government rule, you can make changes here. For the time being, I will not change it. And you can, next step is to maintain average wage per day limit. Click on that and you can maintain a basic average wage per day, which is a minimum average wage for that employee. So you will get this from your organization. You have to just enter that amount here. So this is the second configuration. Now you have to maintain number of working days in a month. So generally standard number of working days is 26, which is already configured here. You have to configure like this. First you have to enter start date, end date, and value, which is 26 days. Enter these and save your value. So this is the way to create a working hours, working days. And next configuration is define personnel area and sub area grouping for ESI. Execute this. So you can create a ESI grouping based on the location. Now here you have two examples, Bangalore and Tamil Nadu. Similarly, you can create one for Mumbai location and give a employer's reference here. This is the kind of configuration. And the next configuration is assign ESIC grouping for personnel area and sub area. Execute this. And here, whatever the configuration you have created in the previous step, that you have to assign. Let me show you. Suppose this organization GS Pune. So what PS group ESIC you will assign? So like Bangalore or Tamil Nadu that is present in system. If you create one more for Mumbai, so that will be highlighted here, and you have to select that. And you can assign that and save your entries. And next configuration is maintaining contribution rate of ESIC. What will be the employee's contribution? What will be the employer's contribution? We can maintain that in this way, where you can create first group and second group. In first group, you can create in first column, that is employee contribution. What will be the employee contribution? That is maintained here, 1.75%. And what will be the employer's contribution rates? So contribution rates are maintained in this screen with start date and end date. So I think currently this ESIC rates also change. I think the current ESIC rate in India, according to my knowledge, that is 0.75% for employee, and for employer that is 3.21. So you can update this in this section. So this is all about ESIC. So we have covered here, we have covered ESIC, and let me just show you one more configuration, which is profession tax. In India, we have profession tax. First, you need to define profession tax detail. So we'll see what is profession tax detail. Once you execute this, you will get this kind of screen where you will get existing profession tax groupings that is based on states like Chennai, Mumbai, Ahmedabad. So you will get a PT certificate from company, and whatever the details that certificate have, you have to fill that detail in this section, like name of PT tax group, region certificate number, start date, end date, circle number. So you have to maintain all these details. For Mumbai, that is already created one for 13 number region, Mumbai East, and with circle number. So in similar way, you have to maintain with the help of PT certificate. Let me show you further configuration, which is assign PT tax grouping for personal area and sub area. Let me just execute this. Here you will get your company related configuration. You can say that personnel area and sub area grouping. So search your personnel area and sub area and assign PS grouping. So what is PS grouping? Let me show you. PS grouping is nothing but a state-wise division, like Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Mumbai is for Maharashtra. So you have to select that particular state for your configuration. Let me just show you our personal area VIM. VIM is VI Industries Mumbai. So I will search here. I will assign this to Maharashtra, Mumbai. the code for that is 06. So I'll maintain 06 here and save your entry. So our data is saved successfully. Click on back, and the next option is assign amounts for profession tax deduction. In this section, you have to maintain a PT slab. PT slab is nothing but you will get a certain slab here, like 0 to 15,000, there will be a no tax, no profession tax, and from employees who are getting 50,000 and above, they from their salary 200 profession tax will be deducted. In similar way, you can maintain a tax. For example, here you will get up to 1,499, there will be no tax, and from 1,999, the tax will be 16 rupees, and from 2,099, you will get deducted tax will be 25,000, and this tax will be varied as per the state rule. So as per your state's rule, you can maintain PT in this section. So this is all about payroll, guys. Whatever the payroll related configuration we have covered here. Hope you like this configuration and session. Thank you, guys.